This is why you keep falling off every single habit you try as a mom. You don't actually have a discipline problem. So you start strong, you drink more water, try to eat better, you may even do a workout or two. And then within days, you're just right back to where you started. And it's not that you don't care, it's that you can't seem to stay consistent no matter how motivated you are. And most moms assume that means they just need more discipline or more willpower or a better routine. But the problem isn't you, it's the way you're trying to build consistency in the first place. Because imagine this instead: you not constantly restarting every Monday and you not falling off every time life gets busy. You're not stuck in that all or nothing cycle anymore. You're just consistent in the smallest simple ways that actually stick. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I built that as a busy mom of 3. How I went from constantly falling off the habits that I was trying to build to actually becoming consistent, even in the chaos of motherhood. We're going to break it down into why you keep falling off. There's 2 paths that keep moms stuck, and the tiny shifts that actually create consistency that last. This is not about doing more. It's not about being stricter with yourself, okay? It's about learning how consistency actually works in real life with kids. Because the way that most moms try to build habits is actually what is keeping them stuck. Most moms don't struggle with the starting of the habits, right? They struggle with staying consistent long enough for anything to stick. And that was me, okay? I'd try to fix everything at once. My diet, my workouts, my routines, especially before I had kids, when I was dealing with fertility struggles and just trying to feel better in my body. And I'd go all in. I'd change my diet completely. I'd do really intense workouts, take all the supplements, try to do everything perfectly. And I'd actually feel motivated for a while, but it never lasted. It was just too much to change at once. So I ended up right back where I started, burnt out, discouraged, and just convinced that I couldn't stay consistent. And here's what I didn't understand at the time. Consistency doesn't come from doing more. It actually comes from doing less, but doing it repeatedly enough that it actually becomes part of who you are. And if your energy and consistency feel all over the place, I have a simple 3-day energy reset challenge linked below to help you start fixing that right now. So once I realized that, everything shifted and I had to completely change how I approached building new habits. So there are 2 paths I see moms take when they try to change things. Path number 1 is the all-in overhaul, okay? First, they decide they're finally going to fix everything at once. And again, this was me before kids. And it, of course, starts with really good intentions, but it's just way too much. So even if the changes are good, they're not sustainable. And within days or weeks, they fall off, right? And end up right back at square one, burnt out and exhausted again. Path number 2 I see is the overwhelm freeze. So the second path is the opposite. They feel like they should change something, but it feels so overwhelming that they just don't start at all. They think that they need a perfect plan or lots of discipline to make it work. So they stay stuck in the same cycle of exhaustion because doing nothing feels safer than failing again. So whether you overdo it or avoid it completely, the result is the same. You stay stuck, not because you're lazy, but because the approach is unsustainable. So I had to find a completely different way to build habits. And the thing that changed everything for me was this. I stopped trying to overhaul my whole life. And I started lowering the bar dramatically. So instead of trying to drink 2 to 3 liters of water a day, I started with just 1 glass in the morning. And instead of intense workouts, I started with 5 to 10 minutes of yoga or stretching, just following a YouTube video. Nothing fancy, nothing intimidating, just tiny things I could actually repeat, because the goal wasn't intensity, it was repetition. And that's where everything starts to change. If you think about it, 1 glass of water every single morning will change your hydration way more than drinking 7 glasses at once, once in a week. So it's not about doing more, it's about doing something small enough that you can actually keep doing it. And over time, those tiny habits became automatic for me. I don't think about drinking water in the morning anymore. It just happens. And that consistency slowly built momentum in every area of my health. So, energy as a mom doesn't come from big bursts of effort, it comes from rhythm. And once I understood that, I had to figure out how to actually make habits stick inside of real mom life. When you're overwhelmed, the instinct is always the same, right? I need to do more, but more isn't the answer. So instead, I started stacking habits onto things I was already doing. So I didn't add drinking water to my day. I thought more about it like I linked it to getting up in the morning. I wake up, I drink water. It's just like one and the same thing. That's it. And that tiny shift made it much more effortless. The goal isn't to add more to my life, it's to attach better habits to the life I already have. And once I stopped trying to do everything perfectly, I realized something else was missing, and that is real change starts with foundations. So I stopped chasing every possible habit and just focused on a few basics: sleep, hydration, simple whole foods, a little bit of movement. So for example, instead of overhauling my whole diet, I started by just swapping one cooking oil for a healthier one. That's it. Foundations beat complexity every single time. And what surprised me most was what started happening next. As I kept doing these tiny habits consistently, I stopped seeing myself as someone who just tries to be healthy, and started seeing myself as someone who actually is healthy. I became the person who drinks water first thing in the morning. I became the person who moves her body every single day. I became the person who cooks from scratch most days. And I didn't get there through discipline, I got there through consistency. So your identity doesn't change from big moments. It changes from repeated, small promises to yourself that you actually keep. So if you take nothing else from this, let it be this: you don't need a perfect routine or more discipline. And I promise you, you do not need a total life overhaul. You just need small things done consistently. And that's what slowly turns an exhausted, inconsistent mom into a disciplined mom who is consistently doing habits for her health that really fit in with her life. So, if you're ready to start building consistency in a realistic way, I've linked my 3-day energy reset challenge below. It's a really simple place to start. And if you want to see my exact morning routine where I've implemented these principles, watch this video next.